Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, me and James and Moses, we're gonna go to CD Mufflers. As you saw in the last video, I got a package in the mail. So that's what we're gonna go put on today. Right now, I'm gonna go warm my car, and then we're gonna go pick up James. So, not pick him up, but we're gonna go meet him at his house, and then he's gonna go with us in his car. So, that sounded like James. His car's out, so. Yeah, alright, so we get a little cold start and then we're gonna go to James. See how when we get there. Some margins. So guys, we just got to James' house. This is 1,000 horsepower twin turbo Mustang right there. You ready, James? Yep. Let's go to James. Let's go to the gas station so I can get money. Huh? Should we go to the gas station so I can get money, or should I just pay with card? Just pay with card?
You gonna go to the gas station for what?
To get money, or no? Should I just pay with card? I think I'm just gonna pay with card.
I'll get cash. I think it's easier.
I don't know how much it's gonna be though.
Probably like 140. I don't think it'll be more than 100. Just text them real quick.
I'll get like 150.
Yeah, just get 160, but you can still text them.
Alright.
Wanna go? Which one? Valero?
Yeah, the one right here. Alright. Alright, so we just got to Jim's house. Now we're going to the gas station to get some money, and then we're gonna head over there to CD. So, I have my brother here with me today. I'm gonna say hi. So, I'm brother here with me today. Got the exhaust in the back, that's why there's a blanket. So, gas station and we're gonna head to CD, so we'll see y'all on the way to CD. Alright guys, so we just picked up our money. Now we're gonna go to CD, so we get some clips of James, like I buy and stuff, and then we're gonna be at CD, so we'll see y'all when we get there. It popped twice. I told my brother to okay, so the first one you did, he didn't get like the pops. I was like, just record till he stops, and then you went far, and I was like, dude, bro. But it sounded good though. You I was like, dang.
Like you got the video?
I think the second one is, but you were far, so I don't know if you can hear it. I mean, I heard it, but I don't know if the camera can hear it.
Dude, I almost hit that freaking Volkswagen. The dude got me stupid. He was scared to get over in the left lane. He had his blinker on the whole time. I was like, bro, I'd slam on the brake.
Alright guys, so we just got to CD's. Got James pulling. Damn, my mirror is dirty. Got James pulling right there. Here at CD's, we're gonna wait for him to get here and then we'll get started. Alright guys, so our car's up on the lift now. We got James and Moses, and we're just gonna wait. We gotta put on the mid pipes and the muffler. James, what you gotta say about later today? What we got planned for later today?
We're gonna be cruising down SA, man. First spot, North Star Mall. Second spot. Wait, no, we're going to North Star Airport first. Airport?
Yeah, the airport first.
Airport.
Take some pictures.
Yeah. The airbags.
On bags? Sheesh, bro.
Every time I hear that, I think it's for bags.
It is bags.
No.
Yeah, bro. Yes, it is. The car goes up and down, for real.
Oh, to help people get on?
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see y'all whenever CD gets done. My boy's going to work right now. We got Daddy CD working on the car right now. Got James right here. The fastest thing in SA. RJ ain't got nothing on this car right here. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Lose control. I'ma let my love